Normally, vehicle registration is a tedious process. We usually think of the huge rush in the registration office and the money we have to give to agents for getting the registration done. In this video today we are going to see how we can book online slots for registration and how easily we can complete the process without the help of any agents. By this we can save around 500 to 1000 rupees which we have to give to the agents. Once again welcoming you all to the new video. For slot booking, we have to first go to www.tgtransport.net and select slot booking. In the left top corner, select online transactions in that registration and again click fresh registration slot booking. You have to read all the instructions and click continue. Then you have to self-declare the below by clicking I agree. In the next page, you have to enter the temporary registration number, the chassis number last 5 digits and your mobile number and click for request for OTP. Once after receiving the OTP, enter the OTP and enter the secret code there and click OK. Then the application details will be automatically captured in the bottom side. Once you have to confirm the details and submit the data. Then you will be transferred to the next page showing the available dates. Click on the preferred date. Then the time slots will be showing on the right side. Then we have to select the preferred time. You have to select from the available slots. Then click next. Then your slot booking will be confirmed and below it will show the fees to be paid online for the slot booking. You can download or print the form and keep it with yourself for showing it in the office. As I have already paid the fees, it is showing as 0. Otherwise, the option will be coming for paying it online. Normally the fees will be application fee 600, smart card fee 200, postal charge 35 and registration service charge 400 rupees. Usually prefer a normal working day so that the rush will be minimum. Directly you can go to the registration office. This is Kondapur RTA in Telangana. Usually all the required forms which are to be submitted in the RTO office will be given from the showroom itself. Take a copy of Aadhaar card and PAN card along with the documents. In the counter number 1, you have to give the documents for verification. After verification, they will give a slip to confirm the verification. Next, in counter number 2, you have to take the photograph. Then proceed to the ground where vehicle inspector is available and directly we can go to him and complete the registration process. Please remember to carry a pencil to make the sketch of our chassis number on the application form. Once the chassis number is inspected by the vehicle inspector, our process is completed. You can submit the documents there itself and we can leave. We have to keep this receipt for further clarifications. Within 10 days, number plate will be coming to our showroom itself. Our RC will be sent to our home through registered post. Like this, we can complete our registration process within 1 or 2 hours without much hassle and loss of money to agents unnecessarily. If you like the video, please share it to your friends. Thank you.